Hi everyone and welcome back to the CADReader Tutorial Series. In Lesson 4, we're going to talk about CADReader's External Reference Manager and how to use it step by step. Before we jump in, let's first understand one simple question. What is an external reference? In a set of CAD drawings, duplicate structural elements across sheets do not need to be redrawn. You can reference the content from a single sheet and overlay additional information as needed. Now let's see how this works in CADReader. First, open a drawing in CADReader. After it opens, you'll see a message saying the file was opened successfully. And it also tells you that this drawing has some unloaded external references. Just click close. Now let's take a look at drawing. You'll notice it's not fully loaded and some parts are missing. That's usually a sign that some external references are not loaded yet. Next, go to VIP and click on External Reference Manager. A small window pops up, and here you can see a list of external references. The first one is called Tower P2, T3, T5, TYP. You'll see a green dot next to it, which means it's already loaded. The second one is Tower P2, T3, T5 VD, and this one shows file not found. So now we know this drawing depends on two other drawings, but only one of them is loaded right now. For the missing one, click Change Path. Then just browse your computer and find the drawing named Tower P2, T3, T5 VD. Select it and open it. Once you do that, you'll see the status change to loaded and a green dot appears in front of it too. Close the window, and now when you look at the drawing, you can see it's much more complete. Another scenario is that they are in the same folder. Quick tip here, if your main drawing and all its external references are saved in the same folder, CADReader will automatically load everything when you open the file. No extra steps needed. One more important thing here. If you want to do things like import drawing into takeoff software, convert layout to model, change the drawing version, split the drawing, you'll need to bind all the external references first. To do that, open External Reference Manager, click Bind All, and then save the drawing. After saving, open the new drawing again. Go to VIP and open External Reference Manager. You'll see that there are no external references anymore. Alright, that's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.